Let's install VLC player. So where is VLC? We don't know. And here it is. Let's click it. Do you want it? Yes, it. Okay. So there's link English, but unfortunately I will change it to Serbian. And there you go. Okay, go. Yay! When it's been installing all the way, that's good. Oh wow. Okay, let's wait. Okay. Now, the only problem is this is not trash. Please install all the way. Whoa! Hey, look at that, it's fasting. And there you go. It's been installed. And here's pop-up screen. Let's pin. And also, we have to watch this. Watch this. Okay. So there it is. That's how you do it. So as always, thanks for watching. See you then. Bye.